The ball cactus is one of the most uniquely shaped succulents because it can grow between 1 and 2 feet tall with a shape that resembles a hot air balloon. However, it is not as smooth as a balloon, with columns of spikes lining its exterior. The ball cactus produces small, yellow-colored flowers that like to grow in clusters. They look great on patios or as container plants within a garden. The shape and brilliant blooms of this plant add a desert vibe to your garden's aesthetic. They are most commonly used in xeriscapes, so they make one of the most popular outdoor succulents. The stonecrop succulent comes in various colors, from bright green and pink to silver and blue. There are two main types of sedums, tall sedums and creeping sedums. The tall sedums have long stems that grow to be between 1 and 3 feet tall. They are known for sprouting colorful flower clusters that look great in a summer garden. The creeping sedums grow along the ground and are usually used in rock gardens, rock walls, or roofs. Dudelia is a member of the echeveria genus and is native to California. There are more than 40 different varieties of this succulent, some of which are on the endangered species list. They are a rosette-forming plant, which means that they have a circular arrangement of leaves. Most leaves have rounded edges that, with reasonable care, can live up to 100 years. These plants used to grow naturally on hills to avoid getting water on their leaves, so make sure to prevent their leaves when watering. The plush plant is covered in fine white hairs that shimmer in the sun, silvery. It is native to southern Mexico and blooms gorgeous orange-yellow blooms that mirror a sunset. They prefer partial shade and can be grown in the ground or placed in containers within a garden. For best results, the plush plant must be repotted during the warmer months. Before repotting, always make sure that the soil is completely dry. The leaves of this plant start as a light green shade that turns darker in the sun. In the summer, they can bloom orange blossoms atop 20-inch stems that resemble a torch. It does not have the same medicinal benefits as its aloe vera cousin but is unique in its ability to grow to great lengths. The torch plant can grow up to 10 feet tall and 18 inches across when cared for properly. They are great for brightening a garden and creating a summer vibe. The Zwartkop is also called the black rose, which refers to the dark burgundy color of its rosette-forming leaves. This plant produces yellow flowers in winter that create a beautiful and unexpected contrast to its dark foliage. This succulent prefers full sun, which is why it grows best in outdoor gardens. They are most commonly placed in flower beds or borders and like to grow together in clusters. This agave succulent was initially grown in Mexico on mountains with elevations of 3,700 to 7,000 feet. It has light green, flat and broad leaves that resemble that of a whale's tongue. They grow to be between 2 and 5 feet tall and about 3 to 6 feet wide. Because of their large size, they are more suitable to be grown outdoors. They grow to their full size when watered regularly and can produce 10 to 14 feet tall flower spikes. Semper vivum means live forever, making this succulent perfect for those who don't have a natural knack for growing. The hens and chicks succulent can propagate very quickly and produce multiple offspring called chicks. With over 3,000 different species, this semper vivum species comes in a wide array of colors that you can mix and match in your garden. When given proper care, they can produce beautiful red flowers that bloom together in the shape of a crown. This succulent only lives for about 3 years, but because of its ability to propagate quickly, they live forever. The pig's succulent was given its name because of its thick, oval leaves with red on the edges. During late summer or early autumn, yellow and red flowers grow at the top of 2-foot stems and droop down. When fully mature, the pig's ear can grow up to 4 feet high, making it a great addition to an outdoor garden. It is best suited to dry areas like succulent beds, rock gardens, and even hanging baskets. This succulent does not need much water but can take up a large space, so make sure to leave a little room when planting this one in your garden. The sunburst succulent is also called copper pinwheel because of the yellow leaves that grow around its center. The sunburst is considered a tricolored plant because of its variegated green, white and yellow leaves. It is a hybrid succulent and a member of the aeonium genus that is popular among outdoor succulents. It branches out with rosettes that bloom white flowers in the summer. The sunburst succulent is native to the Canary Islands and can flourish seaside, growing up to 2 feet high.